some way, be it a friend, a family member, or ourselves, need time to acknowledge the reality and break free from the stigma surrounding mental health challenges. A few years ago, I faced my own battles with mental health. It taught me that we all go through times and it's okay to talk about it. I realized the power of sharing our stories. It's staggering to think that 1 in 4 people around the world faces mental health challenges. This isn't just a personal struggle, it's a global issue that requires our attention and understanding. By fostering awareness, we empower ourselves to recognize the signs, offer support, and ultimately break down the barriers that hinder open conversations about mental health. Awareness is the key to change. I encourage each one of you to initiate conversations about mental health. Listen without judgment, support without hesitation. Let's create an environment where people feel safe to share their struggles and triumphs. Thank you for joining me on this journey towards mental health awareness. Remember, understanding starts with awareness and change begins with conversations. Let me advocate, allies, and champions for mental well-being. Together, we can break the barriers and make a lasting